Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, December 12th of 2019. So here are the morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder that we do have our PTCO holiday walk happening tomorrow from 5 o'clock until 7 p.m. So hopefully you turned in a slip of paper that was sent home a couple weeks ago regarding that, so that we know how many people are coming. And if you did not, that's okay. You could still probably come. We probably will have enough for everybody. So we'll have some crafts, we'll have some hot chocolate, we'll have pictures, and also Santa is supposed to make an arrival at Perry on Friday, so you can get your picture done with Santa also. So great time to have on Friday night from 5 until 7. We do have our math club meeting after school today, so if you're part of the math club, just a reminder. December birthdays, no birthdays for today to announce, so we'll have some more coming up on Friday. Our lunch choices for today is spaghetti with meatballs, hot dog, or cheese and turkey sandwich. And our pause expectations are brought to you by kindergarten students today and Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class.
All right, boys and girls, today we have students here from kindergarten and Mrs. Green and also Mrs. Hirsch's class who are going through some expectations with you.
No pushing people out of the way when you're running down the hall. What was mine? No tripping people. No tripping people? No pushing people when you're on the slide.
Thank you, guys. Very good suggestions.
Thank you, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and everyone have a great day today. Make sure you're doing your best and you're showing your paws at all times. Have a great day.